2018 18 plate BMW 320D M Sport Shadow Edition. We have 4 superb 20-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, black kidney grills. We have M Sport styling kit, which includes front splitter, side skirts and boot spoiler. And there's a look at another alloy wheel. We have M Performance badges on the front wings, black wing mirrors, black window trim as well as privacy glass, shark fin antenna, M Performance decals on the side. And there's a look at another alloy wheel with the M Sport brake calipers. We have dual exhaust flush to the rear bumper and rear diffuser, rear parking sensors, and there's a look at that boot spoiler. And there's another look at the last alloy wheel. Go to the rear of the car, we have full Dakota leather rear seats with ISO fixed points. Pull this down, we have soft touch leather armrests with 2 nice sized cup holders. For extra storage room, the rear seats do fold down. We also have storage behind the driver and passenger seat, electric windows with integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Go to the front of the car, and there's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat with extended thigh support if you may need it. We have electric windows and again integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Jump inside the car, we have auto lights, foot on the brake, we have keyless start. We also have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. As well, we also have paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. This vehicle has done just over 33,300 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. We also have auto wipers, satellite navigation, as well as media connectivity, which is DAB radio. If you go across and go down, we also have Bluetooth audio and USB connectivity as well. We also have phone connectivity. Pop it into reverse, there's the rear parking sensors. We also have different drive modes, where we have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. If you click on Sport displays, you can also see the kilowatts of power and the newton meters of torque that you're currently using at the time of driving. We also have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to. We also have heated front seats, so cold days like today do work an absolute treat. We also have 2 nice sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity. This is what you choose your driving mode select, and you can also turn traction control on and off as well. This is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. Soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath, and there's a look at the passenger seat with extended thigh support. This vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of 2018 18 plate BMW 320D M Sport Shadow Edition. The purpose of this video is to show the vehicle drives as it should, and as you can see, I'm having to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We do have cruise control as well as speed limiter. To activate, push the button on the left hand side at the bottom once, and then use the toggle, push it up, and it'll go to nearest miles an hour. And to cancel, simply press the brake or tap the button that you use to activate it again, and it'll cancel. We also have paddle shift. To take over, simply just press either one. So I'm in 4th, 3rd, back up to 4th, back up to 5th, and I let the car take back over. To also go into manual mode, on the gear stick, simply push to the left, and it will go into manual mode for you. So I'm currently in 1st. To go up, pull down, so I'm in 2nd, into 3rd, and round about I'm going to take a left as you would if you're driving this vehicle today. 4th, 5th, and to cancel, I'll let the car take back over simply, push back to the right, and it'll take back over for you. We have very comfortable full Dakota leather seats, which will also have extended thigh support, so you can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. And for cold days like today, we do also have heated front seats, which make all the difference. We have satellite navigation as well as DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, phone connectivity, and also USB connectivity. We also have the luxury of Harman Kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. And as you've heard so far, there's no unwanted knocks or bangs. If you were driving this vehicle today, that's what you'd be looking out for. It is a very smooth driving car, and the gearbox is very smooth as well. Here at RS Car Sales, we've been doing deliveries past 3-4 years now. And with the COVID-19 situation, many businesses have struggled. Us, we feel like we're quite well prepared. You thought we did nationwide next day delivery, we now do contactless nationwide next day delivery. And we also sanitise our hands and the keys before we get into any vehicle, just to enjoy your safety and ours. We are a 5-star dealership with over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader as well as Car Gurus. And if you read the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. Right now, I'm coming up to the industrial estate and I'm going to take a ride and perform an emergency stop and put it straight into reverse just to show that the brakes work as they should and also the rear parking sensor works as it should. So, here we go. Hard on the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever, and as you can see, you've got the rear reversing sensor just there. And straight back into drive, no issues at all. If you haven't answered all of your questions in the test drive video and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact, where we can do a FaceTime video, where we answer all your questions that we may have forgotten, or if you have another look at the car, we can also do another walk round. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.